It's running pretty good. There it is. Oh, oh, what a wreck. Wow. Oh, whoa.
55 miles an hour sounds like an amazing speed to go with this RC boat. So I introduced to you the Impulse 32. Let's go. Pit crew Nate today.
Yep.
So this has spectrum completely throughout the inside, which means it has smart tech. So we're gonna get telemetry telling us what the battery life is at back to our transmitter, which I love. What are we running this on today?
6S power, two 5,000 milliamp 3S batteries. That's 22 volts of power.
That's gonna be fast. Best sound in the world. This is what I'm talking about when I say telemetry. We've got 4 lights showing 100% battery life, and as we run, we will lose lights. All this back here is adjustable, just in case you're wondering. We've got a fiberglass boat. Wow, this got heavy with those batteries.
Yeah.
Let's send it off to sea, which is way calmer today. God gave us glass water today.
That's awesome.
To end boat week, so this is awesome.
This is a sweet boat. So we've called this Abby Boat Week, but honestly, this Impulse is mine. But you get to drive it. It's kind of your boat week.
Something's not right.
It's fine. You're just, it's driving different. There you go. You got it. You were dealing, Abby thought there was something wrong with it. That's the air cavity that gets in there. And it just needs the right amount of water at the right speed to perform well. There you go. You're getting it. See? Ah, turn, turn, turn. Woo!
Don't want to go in all that.
It's fine. So we've driven a variety of boats, and as I keep telling Abby and you guys watching, that is so cool, Abby. That is, oh my gosh, that's awesome. Every boat is a little different, and that's why we're testing them so you guys can see them in action too. This boat, it's like RC planes. You've got to get your hands on the controls, get it fine-tuned, get a feel for it. That, oh, was so cool. You're getting the feel for the speed now, aren't you?
I don't have enough room.
Right, right, yeah. This one might be even the fastest one yet. Keep it turning, yeah.
Babying it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. You're getting it. You keep opening that speed up. You're gonna crash, oh, on your own wake. Oh, but it's upright. Wow.
So just a secret.
Let's check it just to make sure.
Just a secret.
Yeah? Come on, bring it in, yeah. I don't know if you broke it, let's just bring it in, make sure the prop isn't loose or something. What was your secret?
My secret is I don't know if this has self-righting.
Right. I don't think it does.
That's my secret.
Okay, give it just a little throttle right out of the water, just a little bit. Okay, sounded like something was a little like loose, but it looks fine. Could have just been that air cavity that we're hearing at a funny, you know, at a funny speed.
Now they recommend boat tape on the website. We decided not to use any, just to let you know what happens if you don't use boat tape. But all the electronics are waterproof.
That's right.
It will be fine. But we want to see how much water it'll actually take on. And as I said, I don't know if this has self-righting, so I feel like we should try that. But it's so heavy.
I don't think it does.
I don't think it will.
No,
Should
this
I
one,
try?
no, this one doesn't have self-righting. I want
If I flip it, we'll try.
Keep-
But nowhere on the site or the box does it say self-righting.
No, I don't think it
Usually
does.
if a boat has it, it'll say it. So I'm a little bit surprised, but like if you guys could feel the weight,
It's
back
heavy
here, it's crazy. And the batteries are sitting here.
to help
So
keep the weight
batteries
down.
are here, but oh my gosh, it's heavy back here.
We're all dying to see if it's still okay. You know, just get it back up to speed. So
3 lights now. I've already lost the light.
it's fine. It sounds fine. It just gets a funny sound at a certain low-ish speed. It needs to grab onto that water and then push the water out quickly. It's a performance boat, and now the wind, you guys can see the water's choppy again. It's picked back up just a little bit. There it is. Oh, oh, what a wreck. Wow. You're okay. You're good. These boats are crazy tough. Look at that, Abby. Thing is a rocket. We did bring our secret weapon recovery system today. If we need to. Oh,
I was like, it's a wide turn. No.
You got hung up on fishing line over there. You got hung up on, there, you got it, you blasted out of it. But let's bring it in, make sure your prop isn't tangled up.
I started looking at my transmitter and it
Come here, I just want to make sure there's no tangled up line in your prop or anything like that. Okay. I think you're clear. Give it a little push right here. All clear, all clear. You're good. I really want to drive this really bad. Save a little juice for me.
So that has ABC.
That's really cool.
And it's all the way up.
Okay. She's playing around with her trim and AVC. This is a maiden run, you guys. We'll have to trim up that little hop it's got going on. It's not bad. Right out of the box, it's pretty good. The batteries may have shifted. It's possible the batteries may have shifted a little bit too. That was a nice sharp turn. That was full throttle, right?
Oh yeah.
Finally, you got it.
Oh, I've been going full throttle, just I keep running out of room in front of us, so I keep having to let off by the time it gets to us.
See how far out she is? Range on this is further than the eye can see. Oh, you hit a little. That's full throttle. That was amazing. That was amazing. Good save. That was a good save.
I turned it.
You know what? This thing keeps wrecking, but it's like it's self-righting.
Call it a deep V hull, which
Yeah.
I think is helping keep it on its feet.
Yeah. She's gonna full throttle blast it out here, I know it.
Boom!
Oh, that one smacked, but look at that.
Flip.
Still upright. Easy, you're getting run out of room. Whoa. Woo, Abby.
I'm already on a 1 bar battery.
Oh.
It happened so fast,
Yeah.
and I barely got used to driving it.
Watch. Oh, that's amazing. This thing is wild. You're
This is full throttle, so it's
getting a little low.
It's getting low.
Okay. You're doing fantastic,
So
though.
this is full throttle.
Whoa! Oh, this thing won't stay upside down.
So I was babying it at first, you guys, but I'm kind of sad I'm out of battery, basically.
We'll have to refeature this boat. Wow, Abby. Just absolute wow.
Whoa, you can really turn it with the right amount of throttle.
Oh, whoa! That was intense. Now you can check it. Hold on.
And now it's upside down.
That's the first time, but that was an epic wreck.
That was insane.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So no self-riding.
It's too heavy.
Yeah, we gotta get the kayak. All right, there she goes with the secret weapon.
Shame.
It is the row of shame. You know what though? That's the most air we've ever gotten with a boat.
That was insane. Like
Yeah.
6 foot of air. That was wild.
While she's gone out there to get the boat, it comes with this cool little boat stand too. You build it, it's in the boat. It comes with these foam pads. It's a nice little wooden boat stand to display your boat when it's not in use. And she's almost already out there. This one though, very stable compared to some others. Look at that, flipped it right over. There we go. There she goes. This will be a good water test too, having been out there for so long, to see how much water it will take on. What do you guys think watching Abby with the RC boat while she's right there? Full throttle. That's sweet. I feel some wind. She's not afraid of this one now. This is probably the bravest she's been with any boat this week. At least performance boats. Think she's done? She might be done. She's bringing it into us. She's just having fun. She likes this thing. Yeah. I think she's just trying to get a full battery through this. It's a very good battery life, honestly. It's running pretty good. I know she's just trying to eat up that battery. That might be it. No? Maybe, maybe. She's bringing it in. I don't know. Hard to tell what she's thinking way out there. Always head turning. Always head turning out here.
So much fun. I like driving that in the kayak so much. Once you get out in the kayak, you don't have to worry about flipping it.
Yeah, right. I could tell you were really brave with this boat.
Well,
Still?
there's some people over there that I was giving a show to.
Oh.
You didn't hear them?
I could hear him. Okay. Okay. That's cool. I figured you were just trying to run the battery dead. Because this is a really impressive run time.
It's flashing the last light.
Okay. Yeah.
There it goes.
Oh, that's it. Okay. So when you get a dead battery, does it still give you power? Yeah.
Barely.
Yeah. Right. Okay, let's bring it in.
It's cutting out like that.
Right. Okay, let's
You
do.
don't want to get it too far.
Let's do a water test. Let's see what we got here. I'll get it. Now, we don't normally cut away, but Abby's in the boat, so let's see. I'm gonna go over to the boat stand. It doesn't feel like there's any water in here. Let's go to the boat stand over here, Abby.
It's upside down for several minutes.
I know. That's why I'm thinking this is a really good test. Okay.
Over with my paddle was a little scary.
Yeah?
I rocked. I thought I might tip over.
Okay, now get over here. While I'm taking this off, you tell us what your favorite boat of the week was. I'll tell you what my favorite boat of the week was.
You didn't even get to drive this one.
Well, this has been kind of an Abby boat week, and yeah.
I'm trying to get closer.
You're getting there. There's Abby in her kayak.
My favorite boat. I think this one.
Yeah, this one's impressive to me. I'm so jealous that
loud and fun, and for how fast I was going
There's a little
and
water.
some of the crazy ramps I
Oh
did.
no.
How much water?
There's a good bit of water, and
we didn't use boat tape when it said
my
use
battery's
boat
loose
tape,
too.
And it sat upside down for probably a good 5 minutes.
Here, let me give you the camera.
This is another boat that you're gonna have to have some way to get it
Ready?
flipped over if you do flip it.
Show them the water there so they know it's
Yeah, that's
existing.
what's there. Here we go.
It's got a good bit.
Should have used the boat tape.
That's right. And that's why we
I'm
do our
drifting.
videos.
I'm drifting.
This one does have a plug, a drain plug on the back, so we can take that out and drain every drop of water out of here. And you just go like that and it drips out. They're kind of hard to pinch though, so we'll do that when we get back to the house. Boat week.
What's your favorite boat?
Boat week 2 of 2022. And this has been an impressive week. My favorite boat. Well, I feel like everybody has to have a recovery boat, right?
Oh,
I
baloney.
have to have that, but that's not my favorite.
You
Let's
know
see.
what though? This boat is way too heavy for that little jet jam.
I don't know about that.
I know that for a fact.
Depends.
There is no way.
Depends on the conditions of the water, I think. I think my favorite is this too, and it's awful
You
to have
didn't
the
even
same.
try
I know,
it.
but just watching how much fun you had, I can tell that's a good boat. Because you were hesitant on some other boats this week, and probably because of the wind and choppy waters. But I could tell with your confidence and how much fun you were having with this, I'd have that much fun too. So this gets it for me. Ending boat week in a kayak.
That seems appropriate.
Yeah.
This will be linked down in the description box below. A
No.
brand new Pelican. Actually,
No.
it's about 12 years. The boat, the RC boat, the Impulse 32 will be linked down in the description box below if you're interested in hitting 55 miles an hour in a boat. I think what's coming up, Nate, for our channel is an actual boat speed week.
Oh, we've got the
boats.
boats.
I need that in my life.
Okay.
It sounds like a fun week. If you think boat speed week would be fun, let us know in the comments. But if you're interested in this Impulse 32, it'll be linked down in the description box below. Clicking that link helps support my family and our channel. For a almost glass lake, I want to thank God. The weather is starting to break. Hopefully we're out of these April showers and windy cold days, and we have some sunshine coming up and summer to look forward to. So for that, I thank God. I also want to thank all of our patrons, whether you support us with $1 or if you're one of our top tier patrons like these guys who are scrolling by right now. We appreciate you guys so much and all the support you provide for us. I will have our favorite boat of Boat Week 1 of 2022 popping up right about now for you guys to go watch. Check it out and we'll see you over there.